This is me and Jacob's shelter for the night. I want to finish it up. I want to go ahead and put some walls on it and get it all battened down because it's a lot windier today. So we're going to be a lot more exposed to the elements. Well, finding dead trees to cut won't be a problem. About 9 out of 10 trees here are dead already. In the summertime, this place is a massive forest fire risk, so thinning out some of these dead trees won't be a bad thing.
That one?
Okay.
Daddy.
How you doing, Jake? You getting cold?
Yeah.
Oh, what's cold? Your hands?
Yeah.
Let me see your gloves. Okay, go. We're gonna stick them in Daddy's pocket to get them warmed up. We got some backup gloves. Shove them in. They are mittens. We'll have your gloves dry in my pocket. When those feels better, then we can switch your gloves back if you want.